Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Ahead of the resignations of the 4 high-ranking members of the PNP earlier this week in Manchester, senior members of the party reaffirmed their support for President Mark Golding and insisted the party is united. We have the details from Cordian Barrett.
Members of the PNP hierarchy joined several senior members of the party in Manchester on Wednesday evening for what was supposed to be another public show of unity. Supporters were reminded why division was bad for the PNP.
Don't get involved in the tearing down of the People's National. We can only have one leader at a time. The leader for the People's National Party is right here with us. And that is Comrade Mark Golding. Those that you see on social media and talk all about can't be real PNP if them are tear down the one thing that is better for Jamaica. And not because others did it in the past. Mean that it is right.
Incidentally, some of the persons who have now offered themselves for leadership roles only days ago said publicly they were not interested. People like Richard Azan.
I don't want no position in the PNP, but I want to see the PNP in government.
Mr. Azan, the former MP for Northwestern Clarendon, however, told non-performers to leave their leadership roles.
We must stop and get rid of some of the tired people. If you're tired, go to your yard and get some people who go out and do the party work.
Members of the PNP in the meantime defended their ongoing political meetings. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has questioned whether the political gatherings were breaching the COVID-19 health guidelines. However, the PNP members feel the governing JLP is taking issue because they are afraid of the traction the PNP is getting among voters since they've started their road tours.
The few days that Comrade Golding go on the road, I start turning up like a thing and just start to get worried and I talk about man I run up and down. We're going to make it run up higher now because after this evening, Comrade, we must go every corner and have meetings like this, Comrade. Because as Andrew said something, somebody talk, yeah, Andrew said this. COVID or no COVID, was it or their campaign? We must go there and campaign in every corner and bring back the People's National Party to government.
Cordian Barrett, TVJ News.